Mark from Baytown needs some plumbing help.
Yeah, his daughter is actually confused. And frankly, I'm confused by his question. Here it is. Mark writes, my daughter's building her new home, and she's being her own general contractor on the project. The plumber wants her to get and pick up or shop for valves after framing is done. Her question, what valves does he need for her to pick up and shop for?
First off, he should tell her. And it's kind of rude that because I'm a man, you're a woman, you have to figure it out yourself kind of thing. I know that's what some of these guys think, and it's really bad.
I agree.
He's talking about shower valves and tub valves. They have to go in during the rough-in. Okay, I'm not looking for a sink valve or anything right now, but you have a mixer valve for a shower tub unit, or maybe you have a big shower, you got a couple of shower heads. So she's looking at the valves to go with the type of unit she's getting, and he should have been very clear on what she needed to look for and maybe even be a little helpful.
So if you're going to be your own general contractor, Tom, and you get a request like that, what's your advice? Maybe when a general contractor says, hey, go pick up valves.
Well, I think it's rude.
Right.
I think she couldn't feel comfortable enough to ask him what he's talking about.
That's it. That's my point.
There's a problem there.
Yeah.
I used to tell my clients all the time, we got to get the Fergusons. When Trifection remodeled our bathrooms, right? I knew what I wanted. I just the valve, but Sandra had her own bathroom, and they would never say something like that. Go pick out your valve. Like Sandra's going to know what the heck a valve is.
They might not say it quite that way, but okay.
Well, that's what it's like if he won't tell her. He should have said, go get your mixer valve for your shower. You're going to need 2 of them here. Go pick them out, and order them. We'll put them in. Just be nice. But I just think there's some communication issue there. But as far as that goes, that's what he's talking about.
So the lesson to be learned here is that you should ask until you completely understand what to do. Don't try to fill in the blanks.
Always that way too.
Right,
yeah. People say want to pretend they know and they don't.
Right.
That's even
right.
sometimes.
Right. There's no shame in asking.
There's 2 sides to that story. Yes.
Yeah, and you could also ask him, why the hell you didn't explain it to me clearly in the first place? But that's
okay, fine.
Yeah, that's a whole different show. All right. You got a question, we're happy to help you out. Go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out the Ask Tom form, send it in, and we will answer your question clearly and post it on our website. We post a new one every day, 367 days a year.